Alright guys, Peanut's having a quick snooze. I'm just out on a walk today. Let's have a look at what knife I'm carrying today. Here we go. Just got this one. It's another Arthur Wright and Son Barlow clip point, and this one's in this beautiful rosewood. It's got a nice polish on this one. And we got the brass pins there. We got a nickel silver bolster with a nickel silver pin for strength, and there's the spring there. There's no ugly gapping, and the spring steel is C70 carbon steel, which is the same steel as the blade, C70 carbon. There's the stamp there, and there's that beautiful little clip point. I really like these. These are really ideal little EDC knife. Fairly light. Let's take a look at the overall length here, which is about 6 1/4 inches overall, and the closed length is 3 1/2 inches. And let's take a look at the blade. It's 2 3/4 inches with a cutting edge of 2 1/2 inches. Thereabouts. I love the shape of this clip point, that clip there, beautiful clip to it, and it just feels good in the hand, in my extra large hands even. It's how it gets nice and wide at the back there. It just feels really good in the hand. I really recommend these clip points, really nice. There you go guys, just a quick look at it. It's nice and slicey, nice flat grind to it. So you know, it's at home whittling a steak or making a sandwich and slicing through a tomato or something like that. Yeah, really useful. And I've said it before, but I love that clip. It just fits in the hand perfect for closing. And let's listen to the snap. Whoop, she ran away with me there. There you go, you don't have to worry about blade wrap on these. And the blade is decently centered, not perfect, but decently. Every one of these are handmade, so there's going to be slight differences between each one. So they're all kind of got that unique, and I love that handmade feel that these knives have. You know, they got a feel that factory production knife doesn't really have. These feel a little different, if you know what I mean. Alright, thanks for watching guys. We'll catch you later.